The Osun State House of Assembly on Tuesday elected a 38-year-old member representing Odo-Otin State constituency, Adewale Egbedun, as the Speaker of the Assembly. He emerged as the Speaker after being nominated by Ibrahim Abiola of Irewole Isokon constituency and seconded by Areoye Samuel. Also, Akinyode Oyewusi, representing Ife North constituency, was elected as the Deputy Speaker of the House. The inaugural sitting of the 8th Assembly was presided by the Clerk of the House, Simeon Amuson.
Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Oath of office as member of the Osun State House of Assembly. I do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as member of the Osun State House of Assembly, I will perform my functions honestly to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law and the rules of the Osun State House of Assembly, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principle of the state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.